Hey everyone, I will show you where is the best fishing spot here in Fish, where you can get grinding some money. So guys, we have arrived on Roselit Bay. It's actually close to the Moosewood Island. And as you can see here, this is the fishes that you can get in Roselit. And I recommend you to farm for nurse shark or there's other mythical fish here. And yeah, this is the best way to grind here. Next spot is to the ancient isle. If you have the steady rod or the other kind of types of rod, I recommend to get the steady rod first. You're a beginner, and after that, you can go for the trident or I don't recommend actually the beginner's rod. So just get the um big fishes there, but on the trident rod or the native rod, you can grind a lot of money. And here we go, we are on the ancient isle, and you can get lots of fishes here like colossal, next spam, next spine, and lots of more unicorn fishes and whatever. And there's actually pretty good fishes here, and I will show in the next video actually what is the best fishing spot right now in fish. And here I'm showing the closest squid that you can get here in ancient, and I don't know what is this guy trying to do, trying to flex the megalodon itself. And I got lots of fishes here. I don't really sell those since I'm trying to grind for money for the Heavens Rod, but yeah, for now I will stop this video now, and I hope you guys learned something in this video, and just comment down below what questions do you have, or so I can make other videos